Welcome students. Let's start third part of this chapter. In this part I am going to learn conservation of forest. You know, nowadays the forests are destroying many human activities. Okay, so how you conserve forest? As forest plays an important role therefore to maintain ecological equilibrium in environment, there is an immediate need to conserve it, because forest can maintain the ecological equilibrium in environment. Without forest, our environment become imbalanced and many harmful effects on the human beings. So we can conserve forest. We have different way of conserving forest. First one is the reforestation, preventing forest fire. Grazing forest is to be controlled. In this three way we are conserve forest. First one is what? Reforestation. What is reforestation? It means the process of restoring and recreating areas of forest. Reforestation means plantation of tree. It is called reforestation. Means it is the process of restoring and recreating or planting the area of forest. It is called reforestation. In this process also we can conserve forest. Second one is preventing forest fire. How you can prevent forest fire? You know, in forest different ways fires were arised. Okay, we should take special precaution to make sure fires are not carelessly ignited. It threaten people and kill wildlife and also destroy forests. If the fires were arised, then a lots of wildlife along with trees are also destroyed. So we can prevent forest fire. Then we can conserve forest. And the third one is grazing in forest to be continued. To be controlled. Grazing in a forest is to be controlled. Grazing control can actually prevent soil erosion, which is again essential. As we know, top layer is fertile as well as habitat for various organisms. Grazing means kya? The cattle are this process means the cattle are eating grasses and it is walking this side. It is called grazing, and this grazing can control actually prevent soil erosion. Means continue the grazing process is continue, then soil erosion takes place, which is again essential that, and it is top layer is fertile as well as habitat for various organisms. अगर बहुत सारे जो काउस फॉलो जो होते हैं जो ग्रेजिंग करते हैं, तो क्या होता है, उसका जो टॉप लेयर जो है उसमें वो सब जो ग्रास जो होता है वो सब क्या गायब हो जाता है. सो सॉइल इरोजन भी होता है. इसलिए द ग्रेजिंग इन फॉरेस्ट टू बी कंट्रोल. In this three way we can conserve forest.